All right, hello. Welcome back to the daily update on 1000 days challenge. So, welcome back to 1000 days challenge. This is day 570. So, let's get things started. All right, so today is Monday. Just doing a very quick run through for crypto market itself. So, for Bitcoin wise, on the weekly chart itself, we definitely did close on a bearish note last week, and we are trending downwards this week itself. So as for whether support or when support will be established, it really depends. For example, you see this great bearish candlestick. It took us 1 week, 2 weeks, and then the third week before we actually found support. So even if we do see some of consolidation, somewhere like this, over this week itself, we could still see potential downside next week to retest this for potential double bottom region itself, in which case if they do finally find a bottom, we could without a doubt continue towards the upside, or at least show a consolidation pattern itself between this 30 to 60k region itself before we actually break towards the higher side or even towards the lower side of things. So in the meantime itself, I would say on the weekly chart, it still leans towards bearish momentum. On the daily chart itself, we do see potential reversal over here. You can see the green candlestick that is potentially forming right now is having an increase in volume itself, and we still have around, on the daily chart, we still have around, not sure why it's not showing the time-wise. It's showing over here. So it's 8 hours and 30 minutes left to go, and we are still having a good volume to go. So if we can actually push towards the upside and close with a very nice green bullish candlestick itself, it could mark a reversal on the daily chart, and we could have at least a weak bounce, or we could have a very strong bounce depending on how it follows suit. So that's something to bear in mind. So the forward chart itself, tentatively, you can see this is right now the bounce happening right now. So let's see how bullish we can get, because we did actually climb to the top and then we're actually now getting rejected once again. So let's see how things goes. Definitely, we do need to close above the 200 simple moving average on the 4-hour daily chart, 4-hour chart itself, in order to mark a potential shift for momentum itself. So otherwise, KWEB definitely looks to actually break, but I'll talk more about it after the daily closing tomorrow itself. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. I don't have any major updates. There's no good set on the forward chart because there is potential for a very nice bounce. On the other hand, on the daily and weekly chart, we still lean towards slightly a bearish or neutral territory itself. Otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop your comments below. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.